I'm about to tell you something that's gonna break the internet. I've been wanting to say this for so long. Jesus was a Palestinian. Contrary to mainstream belief and Christian belief and Islamic belief and every other nation in the world, Jesus Christ was born a Palestinian. Now you might be thinking, what are you talking about, Palestinian? Mary was Jewish and Joseph was Jewish. Well, listen, Mary was a surrogate mother and Joseph was his stepfather. If you have two white people and they want to do in vitro fertilization and they get a surrogate Chinese lady or an Arab lady that's a surrogate that's going to host the baby, will the baby come out Chinese or Arab, or will he come out as a white man? Of course he's going to be white. The fertilized egg and the egg are both of white DNA. We know the story of Jesus. Mary was met by angels and she were to conceive a son. Whether you want to believe it's angels, UFOs, whatever it is, the seed that was inside of her was not Jewish. She was only nothing but a surrogate mother. And behind me here, this is Herod the Great's kingdom, where Judea, Jerusalem, Galilee, and where Jesus was born in Bethlehem, it's all part of Palestine. So Jesus was a Palestinian. Now let all of that information sink in and see what's happening today in the world with all of these conflicts. And you must understand a few things. I will not be talking about this because it's gonna get this video banned, but I just wanted to let you know, Jesus was not Jewish, my friends. Let not any church, any synagogue, or any mosque tell you otherwise and lie to you. And before I go, free Palestine.